Kia built motorhome. It's a 6-berth motorhome. As you can see, it's a 6-berth motorhome. So the problem we're working on today is a water leak from a Truma 14-liter hot water heater. There's a leak from the bottom inlet feed to the water heater from the fitting. So it's this one here. There's a leak. As you can see, it has wetted the plywood under the water heater. That's your fresh water pump. So opening the dump valve, the pressure relief valve, which releases all the water underneath the camper, just put a bucket to collect the water, and I opened the kitchen tap and the bathroom tap tank, which releases the water a bit quicker from here, so it drained at the bottom of the camper. So we'll get started. Make sure your water pump is off. Maybe keep a rag in a cup there, because you might be some residue of water that might come out. So these fittings are called John Guest fittings, and you might see there's a black, to remove these pipes, there's a black tab here. Basically you just push on it this way on the black tab and you'll be able to pull the pipe out. So push on it. Just like that. As you can see, there's a bit of water coming out, so I'll just get a container. So as you could see, I pushed on the pipe this way, that way, while pushing back on the black tab, and you can gently pull the pipe out and the pipe should come out. So this connector is the culprit, as the water leaks from around here. So the O-ring in here has probably got a bit old, so best is to replace this part and it should solve the problem. So on closer inspection, if you look at the John Guest fitting and you look on the inside, you can see there's a rubber O-ring on the inside, and on this one the rubber O-ring looks to have deformed, causing the leak. So I'll just pull the O-ring out using this tool so you can have a look at it. So as you can see, the O-ring has deformed into another sort of shape. It should be a nice round shape, change shape, which is probably not sealing on the water heater. So best is to replace this. So now we've got the new part. We can go ahead and fit it. Just put it back here. As you can see, now it's gone nicely past the rubber O-ring. Just put it on gently and easily.